are in the fight for the soul of the African National Congress.
Ikhombene ngomuno.
I will not be intimidated, nor distracted, nor bullied into submission. Now, for as long as I'm still privileged to be the President of the Republic, I will do my work.
Umholi we-ANC uthakaza ukuvumela abampenda ngakho mayelana neplasi lakhe lePhala ukuthi angarageli phambili ngomsebenzakhe. URamaphosa uhlaba ikhwelo kwezibomvana ukuthi bacheche ngoba labo abahlomula ku-state capture bafuna ukuwisa umbuso.
We should view the orchestrated acts of public violence and the destruction of July 2021. This was a deliberate but unsuccessful effort to foment a popular insurrection against the democratic state and our constitutional order with the intention of shielding those responsible for wrongdoing from accountability.
Umengameli we-ANC uthi ihlangano ebusako iqale nobudisi ngombana umbango wokuyilawula uya ngokuqina.
We will never succumb to the manipulation and disinformation, to the abuse of office, to the undermining of democratic institutions, or to the threat of violence or insurrections. We are in the fight, comrades. We are in the fight for the soul of the African National Congress.
Umlayezo wakhe wokugcina uqalise ngilabo abathi akachide kancane umongameli we-ANC ubaphe nakhu ukudla kwendlebe.
We will not submit and we will not relent, nor will we ever give in.
URamaphosa usendleleni eya KwaZulu-Natal iphela veke ezako lapho ayokuthula khona inkulumo embuthwaneni we-ANC wokukhetha wesifunda nalapho kuzokubonakala khona abanyana amandla wakhe angangani ngaphambili kwe-ANC conference eyokubanjwa ngoDisemba. Nginguthabo Mthweni wendaba ze-SABC ngise Boksburg eGauteng.